Cauley from West Marine. You know, one of West Marine's great electrical vendors for the last 10 years has been Blue Sea Systems. Blue Sea tends to take existing products on the market and improve them dramatically so they become the dominant brand. One example is this new Safety Hub 150. And I'm standing here with Dave Johnson, who's the VP of Marketing at Blue Sea Systems. Tell us about the Safety Hub 150.
Chuck, this is so new it doesn't even have a part number yet. And the Safety Hub, basically what we're trying to do is consolidate multiple components into one, eliminating all the connecting wires. And for years, there's been success with fuse blocks like this, where they do it with low amp fuses, but when you got over 30 amps, you absolutely had to get individual fuse blocks. And so what we've done with the Safety Hub is we've given you can see that now this consolidates the ATC fuses with the new MIDI fuse that goes up to 200 amps. So from 30 to 200 amps.
So the MIDI fuses are an inexpensive way to give high amperage circuit
That's
protection.
right.
Tell me what kind of loads you might put on a MIDI fuse circuit.
Well, typical loads are ones that are generally done now with Maxi fuses or C fuses or even ANLs. And that can be anything from an electric toilet, any high amp pump for a high amp bilge pump. It might even be a small anchor windlass or a bow thruster. So there are many, many loads on a boat that go up to 200 amps, even stereos. Many high amp stereos also require high amperage.
Well, I sort of get the idea of this. I think one of my challenges is you could just have these individual components, but what you've done is eliminated a lot of the connections which are subject to failure.
That's absolutely what it is. I mean, I think every boat, anybody operating a boat has had electrical problems on their boat. Something works intermittently, which drives you crazy. That often is because of a loose wire, an interconnecting wire. We've eliminated all the interconnecting wires with this, and that should improve everybody's electrical system on their boat.
And then one other thing, it looks to me like you've got a common bus here.
Right, in some of our fuse blocks we actually added a common bus, and when the cover is actually on here and snapped on, it gives you full electrical insulation for your high amp loads and your low amp loads. And then circuit identification, which is very important.
Wow, another innovative product from Blue Sea Systems. Hey Dave, I want to thank you for taking the time to talk with us today. You can find the Safety Hub 150 and its larger versions, 200 and 250, on the West Marine website or in West Marine stores. Thanks for watching.